So why is it that so many people let go of their financial goals and dreams? Why do they let go of something that was once so exciting to them at one point in time, where they went out looking for different ways to save, different ways to make money, building business ideas to help them reach and achieve that goal? You never know what people are going through with their finances. People can seem so calm, cool, and collective on the outside, but there could be a hellish war tearing them apart on the inside, to the point that they feel that they are in a metaphorically dark room screaming for help, and there's no one that hears them. It's a sad truth in life that a vast majority of people give up on their financial dreams. Becoming the best financial version of yourself can be a lot harder than most people realize. The first step is identifying the obstacles that stand in between you and your version of financial success. The first financial barrier that we have to overcome is fear, because fear is a powerful emotion, one that can paralyze your ability to reach your financial goals. It has the power to handcuff you to mismanage your money. There are many people out there who do not succeed because they fear failure. Don't fear failure. When you allow yourself to learn from your mistakes, you will find a new kind of confidence. It's okay to fail. In fact, you need to fail and more than once. It's not the failure that matters, it's the growth and what you learn from that experience of that failure. The reason that I started this channel, it wasn't because I was so good at money. It's because I failed so many times that one day I started learning from my mistakes and wanted to share with others the steps and principles that helped me overcome my financial obstacles. Another financial barrier that we have that's blocking us from achieving our financial goal is a limited mindset. How you think about your finances will impact the way that you behave with your finances. You have the ability to do some amazing things, but first you have to have the right mindset. The difference between who you are right now and who you want to be in the future stems from your mindset. Once you start to change your financial mindset, you will have the ability to start changing your financial behaviors. Another financial roadblock that we set out for ourselves, and that would be self-sabotage. Are you someone who doesn't feel that you're worthy of having more? And don't go down that road and saying,
"Yo, Josh, it's not all about the material things."
I'm not saying it's material things, but you need to have a standard for yourself. If you don't have high standards for yourself, that alone can lead to self-sabotage of your abilities to build wealth before you even start. There's the power of death and life in the tongue. If you keep saying what you can't do, you will never do. It's time for you to start speaking life into your financial situations, even if your situations may seem dismal and sour. You take those sour situations and those sour lemons that life throws your way, and you put some sugar in it and you make yourself some financial lemonade. You can't expect others to speak life into your finances if first you are not speaking life into your own. Without a clear vision of your financial goals and the roadmap for achieving them, it's easy to slip up and let spending take place of your savings. The most important reason to have a budget is it tells your money where to go every single month. It's like having a money roadmap to help you get from point A to point B the most effective and efficient way possible. Most people are afraid to analyze their current position and their current situation because they're afraid of what they might find. You have to pause and punch fear right in the face. It's time for you to stop letting money control you. It's time for you to come up with a plan and begin to take control of your money and your destiny. The main stumbling block that a lot of people have in their life to achieve their financial goals is holding on to too much debt. Paying off debt such as credit cards and student loans, it isn't a bad thing. However, it can lessen your ability to save. Just like you're putting a plan and a budget in place for saving, it's time for you to start doing the same thing with your debt. Because it's hard to get ahead financially when every dollar that comes in is going right back out. And you do have those people out there that says,
"Well, there's good debt and bad debt."
Debt is debt, and when you owe somebody, you are now enslaved to them because now you are working to pay that person back off. And a lot of times they charge interest. If you have debt in your finances, you are increasing the risk of something happening. If you have a home and you are in debt to that mortgage company, and if you do not make that payment for a certain amount of time, they will come back and take your home. Debt is debt. The borrower is slave to the lender. The good news is that with the right tools, the knowledge, and behavior, you can knock this financial roadblock from your path for good. I was able to pay off $100,000 in debt by following a simple plan, which I share with you more in the video right over there on the top. Make sure you subscribe below, and I will see you in the next video.